Welcome to our deep dive into the world of taxes. Today we're talking about the Goods and Services Tax, or GST, a tax revolution, a system upgrade, a comprehensive makeover. We'll break down the complexities of GST, its impact on businesses and the entire economy. The old tax system was as straightforward as Twister in a hurricane. VAT, service tax, excise duty, a buffet of taxes, each with its own rules. Enter GST, the tax superhero. GST consolidates this mess into a unified system, a win for businesses and consumers. Remember that game telephone we played as kids? The old tax system was a bit like that. Businesses paid tax on inputs, passing costs to consumers who paid tax on the final price. But GST ends this fiscal game of telephone. Input tax credit lets businesses offset GST on inputs against GST collected from customers. Picture this, a level playing field where businesses, big and small, can compete fairly. Simplifying the tax structure, GST boosts the economy like adrenaline. It encourages investment, expansion and job creation, driving growth. Transparency and efficient tax collection give the government more resources for essential services. Starting a business is hard enough. The last thing you need is a tax system that feels like it was designed by a sadist. Thankfully, GST makes life easier for entrepreneurs. GST's digital system means goodbye to paper cuts and hello to efficiency. With a uniform tax rate, businesses operate seamlessly across states. It's like having a universal passport for business, expanding horizons with ease. Small and medium enterprises, or SMEs, are often the scrappy underdogs in business. GST levels the playing field, giving SMEs a fighting chance. Businesses below a certain turnover are exempt from GST. The composition scheme offers lower rates and easier compliance for SMEs. Let's face it, the only thing more outdated than the old tax system is my knowledge of TikTok dance trends. GST is dragging the tax system kicking and screaming into the digital age. With online filing, e-way bills and e-invoicing, GST makes tax compliance easier and more efficient. This digital transformation simplifies business lives and reduces tax evasion. Remember that feeling of euphoria after receiving an unexpected tax refund? Well, GST is like a giant economy-wide stimulus package. For consumers, lower prices on goods and services mean more disposable income to spend on things they actually enjoy. And for businesses, the input tax credit system means less capital is tied up in taxes, freeing up funds to invest in growth and innovation. It's like finding a $20 bill in your pocket, except you can actually put it towards something useful. There's a reason why transparency is often touted as a cornerstone of good governance. Before GST, hidden taxes lurked in the shadows of our receipts, like vampires afraid of sunlight. But GST, armed with its trusty flashlight of transparency, exposes these hidden taxes for what they are, clearly outlining the tax component of every purchase. This newfound clarity empowers consumers to make informed decisions, holding businesses accountable and fostering a culture of fairness. Imagine a world without borders, where goods and services flow freely between states. Thanks to GST, India is closer to seamless interstate trade, streamlining the process for businesses to expand across the country. Namaste to a more integrated and efficient national market. In a world grappling with climate change and social inequality, tax policies must promote sustainable and equitable growth. GST proves that what's good for the economy can also be good for the planet and its people. By encouraging businesses to operate formally, GST reduces black market transactions, promoting fairness. Countries like India use GST to incentivize eco-friendly choices, applying higher rates to harmful goods. And there you have it. 10 ways GST is transforming the economy, like a financial superhero swooping in to save the day. From its simplified structure to its impact on businesses and consumers, GST is a bold step towards a more transparent, efficient India. Like, share and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.